Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: the power of thoughts. Did you know that your thoughts can create your reality? That's right, your mindset can shape your life in incredible ways. So, let's shift our perspective and see how our lives can transform. Imagine a beautiful scene of nature, filled with vibrant colors and serene sounds. This is the world we can create by embracing positive thoughts. So, what positive thought will you choose to embrace today? Remember, your thoughts are powerful. By shifting your mindset, you can unlock a world of possibilities. So, spread positivity and watch our lives change for the better. Thank you for joining us today in exploring the energy of thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep your mind positive